Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing an unboxing. It's another Kickstarter, and I have one question to ask you. Would you like to play a game? It's Saw, the Jigsaw game. Okay, here we are, and this is Saw, the Jigsaw game. And one thing I don't have with me is a knife of opening. Scissors up there, would you? Oh, fingers crossed I can get into this now and open stuff. There we are, hopefully. We will be able to open this very easily now. Oh, where's my glasses gone? Just want to make sure I've got my reading glasses as well. So, includes Saw, the Jigsaw Trials and the Severed Hand collectible. Created by Luke Mellier, work by David Anderson, Tristan Martineau and Joey Wall. It contains one severed hand collectible, 125 gameplay cards, 6 character cards, 6 character jigsaws, 64 damage tokens, 6 workbenches, 1 saw token and a rulebook. And it's marketed by Twisted Pictures, Lionsgate and Iconic Games. So let's get into this. First of all, what you're looking at is the collector sleeve. What I need to do is get the actual games out of here, or the game out of here. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. There we are. Okay, so, start off. Let's open this first, shall we? Just out of novelty, let's open this. Normally I would open the game first, but I am incredibly curious about this, so I want to see it. Now then, once I can get my fingers working and the cellophane off, there we go. This is, well, on the back it just shows one of the plans for one of the traps. There we go. And we have a vacuum pressed storage thing for it. Nothing underneath. There we go. Put that to one side. But we have this bag. It's a drawstring bag. Quite a nice looking bag. And inside the bag we have that. That's handy. Yes. Just put it one side to show Ali. You just heard her, hopefully you just heard her reaction to it. And if you look on the bottom there, it's got the tibia and fibia. Not tibia and fibia. It's a hand. What's the... tibia and fibia is the leg ones. What's the arm ones? Can't remember. Never mind. But it shows you the two ends of the thing there. That looks quite nastily realistic. So I'll pop you there. That's on do better than that, pop you away for the time being. I'll put you back. Radius and ulnar. That was it, just came to me then. Radius and ulnar. Now we can have a look at the actual game itself. Now what I want to try and do is find a loose piece of cellophane that I can stick my scissors in. And hopefully open up. I really should have got my knife, but I find everything much easier opening with a knife than scissors. Right, so we'll take this off, and this is the box front. It's for 1 to 6 players, ages 18 plus, and it takes 40 minutes for 2 players to an hour and 20 minutes. Sorry, 120 minutes for 6 players. And on the back it says, collect tools and try to keep hold of your limbs in this trap building fight for survival. Jigsaw's time is coming to an end. In his search for a successor, he has captured you all in his workshop with everything you need to create his traps and everything you need to break them. The game is simple. Build the best traps to challenge your opponents while preparing to escape these set against you. The last player left alive will be worthy of taking the Jigsaw name. Let the games begin. So we have 6 playable characters, dozens of tools for survival, unique Jigsaw damage system, and over 2,000 trap combinations. Now let's have a look what we have in here. These boxes are so well sealed, I can't get in them. Okay, so first off, we have the rule book. Let's pop you over here. In fact, let's pop you down there, and we'll zoom in a little. Oops. So you can see what's in the rule book. So, here we are. It tells you all about the setup, shows you the different contents, and here it says, hello, I want to play a game. Over the years I've had many apprentices, but none have been worthy of continuing my legacy. Now the cancer has spread throughout my body and my time is coming to an end. Each of you has been picked as a potential new candidate, someone capable of becoming my successor. But first, you all have lessons to learn. The room you are trapped in used to be my workshop. It's filled with everything you need to create my tests and everything you need to break them, if you know where to look. The better tale of the traps, the harder they will be to escape. The game is simple. You must create traps for the others while using whatever you can find to escape those set for you. The game is won when only one of you remains. That person will be worthy of taking the Jigsaw name. Let the game begin. So, we've got contents, we've got setup, and a game overview. Instructions on what to do on your turn. The workbench and hand size, tools, character cards, search, rules, everything you really need in here. Shows you how to end the trap. And here we are. Now for extreme mode. Yeah. And I think that's it. We have the different characters. We have Thomas, Gabriella, Rhea, Nolan, Emily and Hamish. And I will presume that this is a reference thing, so it tells you what you to do on your turn. Draw 3 cards from the deck, use cards and arrange your workbench, discard cards, set a trap and remove 1 blood for each lost limb. Shows the different icons. then how to set a trap. There's a challenge, sacrifice and index at the bottom there. So I will keep this to one side so I know what I'm looking at, because half the time I make things up as I go along. So here we have the Saw token. This is probably first player token, I would imagine. They usually are these things. Nice little hacksaw widget. We have other things here. We have these. We have a 2-level system. So underneath we have other bits. So let's do the top layer first of all, shall we? So first off we have the character jigsaws. So these are the main bodies. As you can tell, you can see which one they are. We have altogether 6 of these. These are the workbenches. On these, I don't know whether you can see them, but it says, oops, mechanism, object and escape. I'm not sure whether you can see that on here with this lighting, but we have 6 of those altogether, 3 at the top, there's 3 more underneath. And then we have these jigsaw pieces. These I think could be damage tokens. Possibly not. No, these aren't the damage tokens, these are blood tokens. So these will be at the top of each of these. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then at the top 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 lives, I would imagine. So pop these away. And next we have the character cards themselves. Which are these? Oh, so there we are. We have 2 sides. Not quite sure what the difference is per side. It could be there may not be any difference at all. Not 100% sure. Your character jigsaw. Maybe exactly the same. I've not a clue. It just may be a case of so that you and everybody else can see what's going on with these cards. I don't know. We will find out at some point. Okay, so that's what's in the top part. Now, I'm going to put these back in here. Put you back in there. Pop you back in there. And now we'll take the top layer out and we will go on to the bottom layer. Oof. By the Lord Harry. So we have a lid, on this part. We have the other 3 of the workbenches. We have these parts which go either side of the T-shaped torso images, and these are different legs for characters, and these are not quite sure what these one will be. Damage tokens. These are the damage tokens, okay. At least I'm presuming these are the damage tokens. And these are all different, as you can see. Again, not 100%, I've not played the game, not seen any of it played at all, and I've only literally got it today. So we're just looking to see what's in here. So I've got a right arm and a left arm, and I think they turn over, so you look exactly the same. I'm presuming these would go on first, and then when you've had one little bit of damage, you get one of these on, and then further damage, you'd get, they'd be covered by or replaced by other tiles, which looks interesting enough. If that's how it works, I'm not sure. But finally, what we need to look at now, the cards. So let's no, was that way. Let's put this down here first of all, back into the box. We'll put you on top, and then I can get one of these out, and we can have a look through these cards. I'm not going through all of them. I just want to have a look at them and see what they're like. And let's zoom in a touch more, then we can see these properly. So yeah, there we are. We have chemicals. We have a wrench, a hammer, hacksaw, strong chemicals, screwdriver set, hand drill, wire, and other things as well. And I need to step away for a moment, not be long. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, next. We only had one pack to go, but I needed to walk away for a moment. Now then, where are we? This deck is it the same kind of stuff or different? We have some of the same kind of thing. Candle, flashlights. Nah, these are different. These are all things that you can use to build traps. These are things to, I'm presuming, to escape from traps. We have candles, strong torch, metal detector, a bin, a toolbox, and a video. And then here's different plans: a collar, a chain, cage, walls, rack, pit, maze, furnace. So these are the actual traps you can build, and these ones that we saw first are ones that you can use to, or what we need. It tells you what kind of things we need for this. So for this one we need one of the red ones and one of the blue ones. I am presuming this is correct, so we need something like that and something like that. I may be wrong, I'm guessing at this stage, but yeah, that is it. That's basically all we have in the box. Saying all we have in the box, hopefully it's a good game. I'll be taking it out tonight to try and get a game, so I will let you know. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.